Qualities I think you should look for when you contact a biohazard cleaning company are, number one, are they local? Are they coming from, maybe a major metropolitan area within the state, or are they coming from out of state? The other important question I would ask them is, what kind of staff do you have? Are they full-time, part-time, or do you use subcontractors? In our industry, you should have full-time or part-time workers. If you have enough businesses to substantiate your workload, you should have at least part-time workers and not use contractors. Along with having employees versus contractors, they're going to have work comp coverage, and that's really important if you have people in your home. Are the people in your home covered under a work comp policy? Because if they're not and something happens in your home, that could fall on you for liability. I also think it's really important to find out what is their reputation. Do they have a good reputation online? Do they have a lot of reviews? Do the reviews look fake or do they look legit? So those are really important things that I think anybody should look at when it comes time to hiring a biohazard cleaning company.